Greetings to you all. So I'm going to take you through how to create Google Contact. Google Contact is a web-based contact management tool provided by Google. It allows users to store, organize, and manage their contacts in one centralized location, making it easier to access and share contact information across all of their devices. Now, I'm going to take you through how to create Google Contact. As you've heard from the definitions, it can allow you to store, organize, and manage your contact in one centralized location. So I would advise you, after watching this video, to also be in position to create your own Google Contact. So to create Google Contact, just follow this video. I'm very sure you'll understand and be in position to create yours as well. So you come and open the Chrome, then come and search for Google Contact. Google search, you open that. So after this, it will bring for you. So that is what you get after signing into your Google Contact. So after that, you come and tap on create. So as you can see, for this one, it's bringing few many options, like two options. One is create a contact, then this one is create multiple contacts. So let us first try this, creating multiple contacts. So for multiple contacts, you can come and write here, add names, email address, or both. So example they have given here, Andrea Fisher, this and this. You can also do the same. Then you come to create after. So let me sample one name. I'm having Goretti Fig. Then I come to create. As you can see, gratified to contact, it has been added. But for the email, you can write both. So not to waste time, I can't write this email. Or you can't even, let me sample the one for email, and you see that it can really be true. That you can also use the email. So I'm going to use, let me see, is his name appeal? We put the one for email at appeal 31 at gmail.com. Then you come and save. So that one has also been created. As simple as that, members. You can also come and do the same, like in case you want to, let me see, how to put this on. For the email, as you can see, it's appearing here. Then for this, the contact is appearing here. So for only one, like create a contact, you can come and activate that one. Then it will bring few options what to do. Let me enter one so that you can see. I'm going to put my name, Adong. Then the last time I'm going to put Joyce. Company, job, but those ones you can ignore, or you enter all the informations. Then email, I'm going to put Adong Joyce 39 at gmail.com. That is it. Then the phone number, I'm having 07710 63592. You can add level or you leave it. Oh sorry, it will not save. I have to change it. 92. I'm supposed to start with a plus sign, then 256. Actually, let me delete everything and start again. I'm supposed to start with a plus sign, 25677 10 63592. That is it. You can add other things or you leave and you come and save. So it's still working on it. As you can see, new contact created, and that is the end. So I hope next time if you want to create your own Google contact, you won't get defeated. Just follow this small and easy step, and you trust me, you won't get lost. Just find one way to your problem. Here are the solutions.